को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे। Hyundai India, Ather Energy, Bajaj Housing Finance Among 75 companies to declare earning. Key companies declaring the result for February to include RailTel, Indus Towers, Mahindra Lifespace Developers Ltd, Fintech and Tata Chemicals. At least 75 companies are set to announce their Q3 financial year 26 result on February to. This earning report will cover the performance of this company for the October to December period. Focus will be on revenue, profit margin, assist and overall business performance. The investor and the analysts will closely track this figure to gain insight about the company's financial health and give broader sectoral trends. Key companies that declaring the result include Ather Energy Ltd, Hyundai Motor India, Mahindra Lifespace Developers Ltd, Fintech Ltd and Tata Chemicals Ltd. After announcing the Q3 financial year 2026 result, most of the companies will hold an earning conference call to discuss the Q3 performance and outlook. Some may also announce dividend as reward for the shareholder. Key companies announcing Q3 financial year 26 result on February 2. Ather Energy Ltd, Airfield Space Solution Ltd, Bajaj Housing Finance Ltd, Bharat Way Rupee Ltd, Corona Remedies Ltd, Hyundai Motor India, Mahindra Lifespace Developers Ltd, Electra Grantic Ltd, Fintech Ltd, Tata Chemicals Ltd. Hyundai Motor India Q2 financial year 26 P, Q2 financial year 25 result consolidated. Hyundai Motor India reported 1.15% YoY increase consolidated revenue at Rs 17,460 crore from Rs 17,260 crore. EBITDA improved to Rs 2,428 crore from Rs 2,205 crore, up 10% YoY. EBITDA margin expanded to 13.19%, 12.8%. Profit after tax grew 14.3% YoY to Rs 1,572 crore compared with Rs 1,375 crore in Q2 financial year 2025. Bajaj Housing Finance Q2 financial year 2026 fee, Q2 financial year 25 result. The company interest income rose 17% year on year to Rs 2,614 crore from Rs 2,227 crore. Operating expenses increased 16% to Rs 214 crore compared with Rs 184 crore in Q2 financial year 25. Profit after tax grew 18% YoY to Rs 643 crore from Rs 546 crore. Assets under management stood at Rs 1.26 lakhs crore. During the quarter under review, gross non-performing assets improved to 0.26 from 0.29%. Return on assets 2.3% from 2.5 last year. The net worth stood at 21,170 crore as of September 30, 2025. Indus Towers Q2 financial year 26 via Q2 financial year 25. Consolidated. Indus Towers reported consolidated revenue up 9.7% year on year to 8,188 crore compared with 7,465 crore last year. Consolidated EBITDA declined 6.0% YoY to 4,613 crore from 4,907 crore. Profit after tax fell